in most of the communities. However, despite these, FGM still exist and impedes the rights of women and girls. The United Nations Population Fund notes that over 4 million girls are at risk of undergoing FGM annually. On the other hand, the Kenya Demographic Health Survey 2014 report places the Samburu ethnic group at 86% prevalence of FGM. With the ongoing harsh state of drought, the condition is worrying. Our agenda reporter Levis Musumba visited the remote villages of Samburu and filed the following report.
Women and girls play a crucial role in ensuring the sustainability of rural households and communities. However, they are most affected when disasters occur.
During drought season, you find that the most affected are the women and girls.
Veronica Leokono, a resident of Ngweta village, Samburu County, is on the verge of despair. She cannot even remember when last she had 3 meals in a day.
Tuko na shida ya maji. Tunaenda kilometers karibu 4. Kwa sababu hata ukibeba mtungi ni shida hata. Kwa sababu maji ni msito. Na unabeba kwa mbali na unaenda tena mbali. Maji ni kitu ambaye inasaidia watu, hata watoto ya shule. Sasa watoto anangoja ulete hiyo maji ndio hawa aoge aende shule.
Drought has depleted all available pasture, wreaking havoc in her village. The mother of 5 has already lost several cows in 2 months. The Samburu Central Sub-County has not received any rain in 5 months. Food, water and pasture are now scarce.
Ndio ukiona saa hii hatuna hata mboka, ni hiyo shida ya maji.
We're also looking at the livestock also being one of the key drivers in terms of livelihood, also accessing water at those particular water points.
Her school-going children have missed classes a good part of this term, as the situation requires them to venture further out with the livestock in search of pasture. According to the National Drought Management Authority report, drought and famine ravaging the 20 affected counties have disrupted food and water supply, causing rates of food insecurity, malnutrition, community conflicts, and gender-based violence meted on women and girls. The number of people in need of humanitarian assistance currently stands at 4.35 million. Samburu County is one of the worst hit regions.
During drought season, you find that the most affected are the women and girls. As Kenya Red Cross, we are trying to provide relief support through provision of cash voucher assistance, and so far we have been able to reach 2,700 households.
Samburu is one of the ethnic tribes on spot, with 86% of female genital mutilation prevalence. That is according to the Kenya Demographic Health Survey report of 2014. And the region drought and famine are threatening to erase the few gains made in recent years in reducing the gender-based violence cases in the county.
We are now working together with elders, but also younger boys to socialize them. And also young people. We have launched the Youth Anti-FGM Network Kenya chapter in Samburu County so that the young people in the universities can also be engaged.
As the Samburu rural women confront global crises and gender inequalities in their communities, Reina Leseseit, a resident of Nguruto village, a widow and a reformed Kata, has taken up the role of community champion. At 57 years, she is still strong to confront the oppressive culture of her tribe. She preaches peace and no to FGM in every village.
Wakati sisi naenda kanisa naona hakuna kitu mbaya kama tunasikisa mambo ya Mungu. Shauri Mungu umeunda mtu na hakuna bali anasema kata. Hiyo sisi nasema mimi nimeingia kanisa, mimi sitaki. Naenda Mungu na nalisha mimi.
Today, women from various villages have converged to share their plight. Jamila Ahmed, a resident of the volatile Baragoi, confirms the situation is turning from bad to worse as the insecurity intensifies, leaving women and girls at the mercy of God.
Watu kama Red Cross walikuwa wanatusaidia kutuletea hata chakula. Sasa hivi wameogopa kuja huko. Sasa hiyo insecurity imeleta shida mingi sana. Sasa unakuta hata vitu mingi zimepanda bei.
At Sisters of Mary Immaculate Rescue Center in Suguta, the situation is dire. With a capacity of 70 girls, the number has grown to 78, and more are still coming, fleeing from gender-based violence from their homes. The United Nations Population Fund, in partnership with the Panasonic Corporation, a Japanese company, has launched a program strategy relating to drought risk management and climate change adaptation in Samburu, dubbed Lighting Up Dreams, targeting women, girls and school-going children.
We supported 2,100 solar lamps and gave to 1,500 donate to the children, like boys and girls.
More importantly, we inculcate in them at the very early stages the need for them to respect each other, respect gender values, and for the boys especially to promote positively and relate positively with their female counterparts in the school.
Ushanga Initiative Kenya and UNFPA are training women on alternative sources of revenue, beadwork being one of them.
Ushanga Initiative is focusing on putting the work of these women in a digital platform. Of course, by using the e-commerce. They are going to have their e-commerce platforms and they will sell their products.
With access to electricity in Samburu County stands at 5.8%, the solar lanterns will provide a solution to protect girls against the risk of FGM and child marriage, as children will be able to study adequately at night, resulting in improved school retention and performance.
Target itself to make an opportunity for education, health, and income increase.
Raina, with the gift of solar lanterns from Panasonic company, is happy to beef up her business and earn more. For KTN News, I'm Levis Musumba.
Thank you, Levis Musumba, for that report. And that report takes us to our first commercial break. But before we take that commercial break, when we come back, we'll be